Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best trailer tire is probably one of the most crucial components for ensuring a safe and smooth journey for your trailer. Choosing the right tire can significantly impact your trailer's performance, handling, and overall longevity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 4.80 to 8 trailer tires with a 4-lug configuration, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Number 5. Mission Automotive 4.80 to 8 tire inner tubes. Introducing a durable solution for your tires. These inner tubes from Mission Automotive are designed for long-lasting performance, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly. These versatile inner tubes fit various applications. They are compatible with wheelbarrows, lawn mowers, and trailer tires, making them a great choice for different needs. Extend the life of your equipment with this practical solution. Replace only the tube, not the entire tire, keeping your wheelbarrows, hand trucks, and garden trailers functional. For best results, inflate these tubes to 30 psi using a manual pump. Avoid overfilling to maintain safety and the integrity of your wheels and tires. Perfect for a range of outdoor tasks. These inner tubes support your lawn carts, hand trucks, and garden wheelbarrows, enhancing your lawn care and transportation capabilities. What we like. This product features durable rubber construction, ensuring long-lasting performance for your equipment. It's compatible with various equipment, making it a versatile choice. If you have a wheelbarrow or garden trailer, this is a practical and efficient solution for keeping your equipment running smoothly. What people say. The tires arrived quickly. They were exactly what I needed. The tires fit perfectly. Number 4. eCustomrim 4.80 to 12 trailer tires on rims. This tire assembly from eCustomrim is designed for trailers. It comes as a complete package, ready to install and use. It includes the tire, wheel, and valve stem. These tires have a maximum load capacity of 780 pounds and a maximum pressure of 60 psi. The overall diameter is 20.5 inches, and it's a load range B tire. The rim dimensions are 12 by 4 with a center bore of 2.83 inches. It features a 4-lug on 4-inch bolt configuration. The tire, wheel, and valve stem are all DOT approved. Purchase includes a full 2-year warranty. Plus, you'll receive free roadside assistance, providing peace of mind on your travels. The tire features a reinforced square shoulder tread for optimal road contact. Its modern tread design provides a footprint similar to a radial tire, with variable tread pitch to reduce road noise. What we like. This product offers high load performance with a modern tread design for optimal road contact. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and free roadside assistance. If you are looking for a reliable tire assembly with added peace of mind, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. They hold up to hauling the zero-turn mower or the 4-wheeler at speeds of 55 to 60 miles per hour. They are 4-ply tires if anyone wants to know. The tires were as described and inflated on the rims as well. I'm planning on buying another one for the spare in the near future. Number 3. MaxAuto 4.80 to 8 lawn garden tires. Introducing the MaxAuto 4.80 to 8 tires. These tires are designed for lawn and garden equipment. They offer great performance and durability. These tires have a size of 4.80 to 8 and a load range of 4 PRB. The tread depth is 0.40 10.2 mm, and the maximum load is 672 pounds at 40 psi. It's built for non-highway service. These are heavy-duty, 4-ply, tubeless turf tires. The sharp-angled tread elements provide maximum pulling and pushing power. You'll find it commonly used on various equipment. The tires are compatible with many garden tractors, tillers, and trenchers. They are also suitable for agricultural tractors and other farm equipment. It's a versatile choice. The package includes a set of two 4.80 to 8 lawn mower tires. Please note that the wheel is not included. Make sure to check the size before purchasing. Before you buy, please check the size of the original tire on your vehicle. This will ensure that the size of the tire you are purchasing is correct. Ensure a perfect fit for your needs. What we like. This product features a heavy-duty 4-ply construction for maximum pulling power. It's designed for various garden and farm equipment. If you like a tire that can handle tough terrains and provide excellent traction, this is the one for you. What people say. The tires arrived quickly. The tires were exactly what I ordered. They fit perfectly. Number 2. Antego 4.80 to 8 tire and wheel assemblies, set of 2. Introducing the Antego 4.80 to 8 tire and wheel assemblies. This set of 2 is designed for your trailer needs, offering reliable performance and durability. These tires are built to last. Featuring a robust 6PR construction, it ensures long-lasting performance, even on tough terrains. Need replacements for your boat trailer? Look no further. This assembly is the perfect solution, offering both reliability and peace of mind. The wheel features a 5-lug design, ensuring a secure fit. It is designed to handle the loads you need to carry. With a load range C rating, it's built to handle various loads. It's a dependable choice for your trailer needs. What we like. This product is designed for heavy-duty use with a robust 6PR construction. It ensures long-lasting performance on various terrains. If you have a boat trailer and need a reliable tire, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tires arrived quickly. They were exactly what I needed. The tires fit perfectly. Number 1. Antego 4.80 to 8 tire and wheel assemblies, set of 2. Introducing the Antego 4.80 to 8 tire and wheel assemblies. This set of 2 is designed for your trailer needs. It's a reliable choice for various terrains. These tires are built to last. Featuring a 6PR construction, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for your boat or small trailer. The wheels are galvanized, offering excellent protection against the elements. This feature extends the lifespan of the wheels. They are designed to withstand tough conditions. With a load range C rating, this tire offers a great load capacity. It's suitable for various trailer applications. It provides the support you need. This assembly is ideal for boat trailers and small trailers. Its robust design and reliable performance make it a great choice. It's the perfect upgrade for your trailer. What we like. This product is designed for heavy-duty use with a robust 6PR construction. It ensures long-lasting performance on various terrains. If you need a reliable tire for your small trailer, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tires arrived quickly. They were exactly what I ordered. The tires fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.